Hi everybody, I'm John Giroux. I'm the PSU R&D guy here at Corsair, and we're here at Computex 2018 to talk about our new SF series power supplies. These are our new SF series with 80 plus platinum efficiency. This is in addition to our current SF Gold, which is 80 plus gold efficiency. But not only do we increase the efficiency, but we have a number of other improvements as well. For example, we've added the SFX to ATX bracket to allow you to mount the SFX power supply to a standard ATX case. We've also upgraded the cable set to our individually sleeved cables, which gives it a lot cleaner look inside your build. The fan controller's even been updated as well. The gold version has a DC fan and a regular analog fan controller. This fan is PWM and it has a digital fan controller. Now what that means to you is that the fan speed is much more predictable from its 0 RPM mode up. And since it's platinum, it's going to be much quieter overall because it's going to need the fan less. We're showing these off for the first time at Computex. They will be available soon. The 450 watt has an MSRP of $99.99 and the 600 watt has an MSRP of $139.99. So if you're building a small form factor case or just want to save space inside your current ATX case, this is going to be the ideal PSU for you.
Hello everyone, it's Joseph with EVGA, and today I've got something really exciting to show you. It's something I'm particularly excited about, and that is our 650 GM power supply, part of the GM PSU line that's available now. This is a small form factor power supply, and a lot of people have been waiting for this for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and pop this open and show you some of the accessories, and then also go over some of the major features. Okay, so the first thing, you're going to have normal product manual, an AC power cable, the power supply tester that we always include, the modular cables, and this is an ATX bracket. So if you do have a power supply that is, or if you have a case that's an ATX standard, you can use this to install the power supply into a normal ATX size case, so that gives you greater compatibility. And then of course we have the power supply itself. Now this thing is really small. It's really cool. One of the great things is, you know, they come in the variants of 450 watts, 550 watts, and 650 watts. 650 watts is a lot of power to pack into a small form factor like this, and hopefully you can get a good look there. Now this is fully modular, so that helps when you're in a tight space-saving configuration. This does support SLI if you're running 2 graphics cards. This is the first power supply to feature something called Auto Eco Mode. Now we have had power supplies in the past that do have something called eco mode. Normally you're going to see a little switch near the power switch here on the back, where you can turn it on or off. Auto eco mode actually is just the eco mode is automatically on. So in an idle or low power situation, you are going to have no fan making any noise. It's completely silent. But then when you apply greater load or higher temperature to the power supply, it will turn on the fan automatically. This also does feature 100% Japanese capacitors, really high quality, and it is gold efficiency rating. That tends to be the more popular efficiency rating, and it's a really nice in between there. I did want to compare this to one of our normal 650 watt power supplies. And this is normally a pretty compact unit. It's a 650G plus power supply. This is another gold rated power supply. But look at that size difference, right? You have quite a bit of power, same amount of power, but packed into a much smaller form factor. So like I said, I'm really excited about this power supply. So thank you for joining us in this quick unboxing and product overview. Go ahead and check out our website if you want to see more details on the 650, 550, or 450 watt GM power supplies.
Sonic, the heart of your system.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.